Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. First, you have to open your YouTube application, then you will find your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Simply click on it. Now from here you will find a gear icon at the top right corner. Simply click on it, and now go to general, and from here it is restricted mode. You can see it is now enabled on my account, YouTube account, and if you want to turn off, you can find that toggle button here. If you find that it has turned on restricted mode on your YouTube, you just simply click on this, click once to turn off this toggle button. That means you just turn off your restricted mode on your YouTube account. That's how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.